Hello once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to give you some hints on Vegas Pro. It is a software, a tool used to edit and create videos. It is an important tool if you want maybe to make videos, to put some effects in the video, let's say multiple audiovisual effects, if you want to add the text to your video and so on. It helps in different ways. So this video mainly is for teaching you how you can make a video from combining pictures. If you have multiple pictures, how you can combine them, put music within it and export it as an ended video that can be uploaded to YouTube, that you can watch with your loved ones and so on. So let's see how we can change pictures into video. So first of all, this is a window of Vegas Pro. It's now opened. First of all, what you do, you have to save your project. So I have a project, I want to save it on desktop. I have already created a folder called the Vegas Pro Tutorials. So I need maybe to call it today project, or let's call it project, and save it. Once you are done with naming your projects, what is next? You need to make sure that your folder which contain pictures are near. This is my folder which contain the pictures to be converted into video. It's ready, and you need to make sure if you want to put some audio, background music, make sure it is also there. This is a folder which contains music that I will put in it. So I think now things are ready. I can now move on. So to start now, the first thing you need to do, this is the working area. This is a track where the videos, pictures and the music are put. They are put in this track. So meaning that you need to create some track. So because the pictures are put in a video track, this is a track that I will need. And another track I will need is the text track, where we put maybe text. If I wanted to put a description of a picture, I need another track. It is also a video track because the text is put in a video track as well. And I need where you will put my audio track, I mean the music. It is here. So now I have 3 tracks. First track here, another track is here, another track is here. Each track, there is a way of changing the volume. If you want to reduce the volume or whatever, you can just do it here. Transition, the way one picture changes, when one picture ends, the following how will appear. These are the transition. You see the way the transition looks like. If you want, you can change. If you want a picture to come like this way, to be displayed in this way, you can just change. These are the different transitions we will need. These are important as well. If you are dealing with pictures, you need transitions as well. Transitions are here, the way pictures will appear, one picture by another. You want as well texts, where to put text. Here we have a text. How to put text we will show as well, the description and so on. That's it. Now let us start putting our pictures. The pictures will be like this. It's a matter of selecting the pictures. Once they are all selected, bring them in the track or video. You can put here or here. If you don't want to put text, you can put it here, but because the text should be displayed in front of pictures, it is better to leave the first track for text. Unless you don't want to put text, you can delete this track, but because this track will be used for text, I can leave it. You can easily see that the track for text, if you want to put a text, you do this way, you write what you want to write, then it will appear. This is a short display, something like that. So a text looks like this. This window is for text. If you want, I can delete it. I already deleted. So these are different pictures, how they will appear. So if you want, you can zoom in or zoom out by using the wheel of the mouse. You can just zoom in or zoom out, and so on. If you want, you can bring a background. Here I can pick like two backgrounds. Let me pick these two and put them in a folder of my pictures, because I will need them as well. And once I'm done, I can bring back my project. So first of all, it depends. Maybe assume that I wanted to select all pictures. I can click shift and click the first, from where to where, from here to here. If I click shift, I can select all the pictures and move as one object like this. So maybe I assume that I want to put something else here, or assume that I want to leave a space here to put another pictures. That's how I do things. If I want to move all pictures, it's a matter of selecting the first and the last, then hold on the mouse and drag as one object, and so on. So this is it. So already I have put together all my pictures. It's a matter of now putting some transitions. If I want to, before putting transition, this is how my picture will be behaving. I have already started playing. You will see through this display the next picture is coming, and this is a cursor which is showing how pictures are changing. You see, yeah, as it goes, when it reaches a picture, it is displayed here. If you want, you can see everything in full by clicking that button. This is how it is displayed. So if you want to see the whole thing in full, you click here on this small button, something like that. So once you are done, you can stop everything and bring the player, that small thing which shows every picture here. Now let us put some background music. The background music, it's a matter of doing this. This is the background music. What kind of music do I want to put? Let me put maybe One Wish. I want to put this music, so let me put it here. It's a matter of taking and dragging up to this track of audio. I have put it in the track of audio. It is what is the format of this music that I'm putting? It's the properties an MP3 file. Oh, so I have already put my music. I have put already my music. If the music is already there, you can just reduce its length, because my pictures are somehow short. The duration is short, so I'm reducing the audio music, the background music as well. So if I play the video, you will watch the pictures and the background music is being displayed. You see, the music is already there, the picture being displayed at the same time the music background is there. If you want, you can reduce the volume of your music. portion, something like that. This is how we do. So if you want to make a picture filling the whole window, you see some spots, black spots here, I don't want to see them. If I want, I can maybe put a background picture, something like that, a background picture. If I want, I can put maybe a background picture, something like that, or make this picture as a background, or extend it to its background. It's a matter of coming to the picture, click on this event pan. When you have something like this, you can change even the way you see the picture. You can just do this to zoom in or zoom out, something like that. Or you can also right click and match output aspect, so that you can see the whole picture. You can fit it in the whole thing. So you still have just the picture being shown here. You see it is now filled in the whole thing. You can also match the source aspects, how it was looking before. It's a matter of zooming in or zooming out. This is how we do it. Once you are done, you can put some effects. To put effects or transition, sorry, it's a matter, you can drag the first picture like this, overlap it with the other picture, and put a transition you want. Assume that it's a matter of dragging the transition. You come to this transition and you drag and you drop it here where there is the overlap. So once the video is played, at this point you will see how the picture will come. All the transition has been put, so and so on. Putting here, putting another transition, iris, let's put this transition here. Immediately you can do some changes here, the settings you want, and when you play you see the way transition is made. Here you can put another transition as well. Maybe I want this one, this picture to come like this. I have put already the transition. When I play, so transition is like this. So this is how the transition how it looks like, and so on. So I'm still editing my things now. I'm going to put some text. Maybe I can extend this picture in this way, and so on. You can still edit that thing. If I want maybe to make this picture, copy and paste it maybe here. We see this is the same picture, but I have made a copy. So I want to display this picture, but make this as a background. Match out source. So this one I'm making it as a background, so that I can remove this black thing, so black spot. So for this picture, when I'm playing it, you see it's now looking okay. You can do it for the same for this picture. Control C, copy here, then you do this. And you make sure that this is done as the match output aspects. Once you do this, you are sure that the background is totally a picture. There are no black spots there. So if you wanted to see the whole thing in full and you play, you see how it looks like. do the same for other pictures as well. It's a matter of copy, pasting here, make this the matching the output. Do the same for here, copy, pasting here, match this with the output. If you want, you can drag this picture and bring it here and put maybe another background here. You remember I have a background, I have some backgrounds here. I can put a background here which is different with the picture. Maybe let me put this background here. Let me put this background here and see how the things will look like. I will match this output and see how the picture will look like. You see, once if I want, I can zoom this picture as well. This picture which is displayed, I can zoom it by doing this. You see how it is. Look at here how it is being displayed. I'm zooming, I'm doing this. You see, everything's changing. Remember to save and so on. So if I want, I can put text on this picture. I can put text by coming to insert, put a text. Maybe let me write the name of this lady. She is called Isimbi. Isimbi. This is her name. If I want it, just I can select all and change the look, the text, the style. Maybe I like Century Gothic and change the size. Bold italic, and change the color if you want of the text. Make it yellow, something like that. Once you are done, the text will appear. This is the text. This is the folder or the file, small file which contains that text. So meaning, what if I put here and I start the video from here? The picture has the text as well. If I want, I can just extend this text so that it can appear on all pictures which will come. So so if I want, I can delete it and so on. So you see, now it is easy to edit pictures. Once I'm done editing all pictures, I can now export. Once you want to now export your video, first of all, make sure that you select everything here. Once it is selected, make sure that you have selected everything you wanted to view as a video. Once it is selected, everything, once the whole thing is selected, you can come to File, then Render to convert into video, and here you have the format, Sony AVC MVC. This is the format I like. You can select another one. Template, I like the one I have created, this one. So I have the format, I have the form. Then I can browse where you wanted to save the video. I want to save it into pictures here, and I call it end video, and save. Once I'm done, I can immediately now render. Click on render so that the video can start to be developed or created. So this is it. Now the video is being rendered. In a few minutes we will play the end video and see how it looks like. The rendering is nearly, compression is at 95 nearly. Once 100 is reached, yeah, you are sure that the video is completed. Now is the video, my video is ready. I can go to the folder where I have saved my video, then watch the video in full. This is the end video. I can now play it. This is the video I have made for you. I have put together all pictures, I have put the text, I have put some more transitions, the music, the background music is there. So this is how we can make we can convert pictures into video using Vegas Pro. So that's it mainly. That's how we do it. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment and like and share.